When it comes to sandwiches, ham and cheese or PB&Js don't always cut it anymore. Elevate your lunchtime eats with a simple and healthy spin. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'm building a better, not so boring sandwich by adding in more crunchy, colorful additions to help level up your lunch. This is how I roll sandwich sushi rolls. To begin, place a whole grain tortilla or wrap on a cutting board, cutting and removing rounded side edges. Whole grains contain more fiber than refined, which helps reduce cholesterol in the blood and may lower your risk of heart disease. Then, spread with your desired sandwich spread, leaving a ½ edge from the top and bottom. I'm using veggie cream cheese for mine. Next, layer 2 slices of Deluso reduced sodium ham or turkey in a line down the middle of the tortilla. Deluso meats are 100% gluten-free and contain no artificial colors or fillers. Next, continue to layer with butterhead lettuce leaves, bell peppers cut into strips, cucumber cut into sticks, and thinly sliced avocado. Starting at one end, wrap the tortilla around the filling, continuing to roll until the end. Cut the roll in half and cut each half into 3 equal pieces. Pack into an insulated lunchbox with assorted veggies or in a bento box with an insulated bag and ice pack. Enjoy within 4 hours for maximum freshness. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com, and for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.